The prior owner did demo for us. Oh. If there's no down here, I will be so surprised. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Jody Young, Realtor, Empire Property Group. This is Anatomy of a Flip season. What season are we on? 15. I thought the other one was 14. 15. Let's call it 16. That's a great outtake. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Jody Young, Realtor, Anatomy of a Flip, season 16. I'm gonna take you inside what's probably gonna be the biggest project yet. Let's go. If you had smell-o-vision, you would know exactly what I'm talking about right now. This one needs a little work. So when it's all said and done, this is probably gonna be 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. We've got to thank somebody for going ahead and getting a start on demo for us, because there's not much left in the house that hasn't been beat up a little bit. So I don't know if I'll be able to make it all the way through this one or not. It's a little rough. Obviously the kitchen, it doesn't need very much. We may just like paint the cabinets and touch up here and there, and this will be ready to go. Appliances probably stay, they're in decent shape. Living room, would love to take down a wall and expand it just a little bit. It's a little rough. Having the windows open isn't helping enough.
As I'm looking at the ceiling, I noticed that it swoops down into a U-curve, and we take a look into this hole and they put a ceiling on top of a ceiling.
This little concave would make Tony Hawk proud. Wait, does anybody even know who Tony Hawk is anymore? Why do we have the random wire?
Because we don't know where the smell is coming from. Is that where the smell's coming from, Gray? Okay. Is that where the smell's coming from, Gray?
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams.
I think the plan for this house is we'll start out back and start picking up the trash, getting it in bags and haul it away, take the doorknob off the back, tear the house down, build a new house and put the doorknob back on. I don't really know what else to do. I feel like we need to see the cellar. Like, let's go check this out. Oh my gosh. Like, if there's no down here, I will be so surprised. Has anybody been down here yet? I don't think I want to be first. Hello? Let's go. It actually smells better down here than it does in the house. Still a lot of stuff to haul away. This is unbelievable. We have so much work to do. This is going to be our biggest project yet. Get me out of here. I gotta go. We've got to do something to help out with the ventilation. Can you make sure nobody's on the other side right there? I'm going to open the window for them. I feel like we need to get some more airflow. Team player right here. That wasn't enough. One more. We need to get some more air through here. Couldn't do that again if I tried. Ooh, pressure washer and a mower. We scored. That's enough of that. I probably didn't have gas.
It stinks.
Give it a try.
Yeah, nothing.
Nothing?
There's another one. Oh!
I can't describe for you guys how badly it smells inside. I've never smelled anything like it. Like, when you're dealing with flips, there's a golden rule. Like, when you buy a foreclosure, never open the fridge. If you take that smell of open a fridge, other investors are gonna know what I'm talking about. If you multiply that stench times 10, that's what we're dealing with. Like, it'll take your breath and your soul. We should just call it a day, just burn it down.
I don't know if I want to flip this anymore.
Maybe this one's not worth flipping.